From the port of Honningsvåg, we're going to go to the most northern point of Europe, the North Cape. And this is the place which everybody goes to see when they get this far north and as close to the Russian border. The sun is barely up and we're off. Once again, Martin Clarkson is our intrepid explorer.
It's 5:30 in the morning. Polaris now arrived at Honningsvåg. An opportunity to go to the most northern point in Europe.
The Havila ships stop long enough to refuel and to let the mini excursion get up to the northern point and back. If you're asking, what is the point? It's the North Point. But if you're one of those people who do not want to go up and see a mountain and the sea, then there are other excursions and options here in Honningsvåg. You may not have the time for them all. But with our Get Your Guide partners, you can do bird watching, which is absolutely amazing this far north. Or you can go crab fishing, that's pretty outrageous. Or fishing, that is what I call fishing.
It's 6 o'clock in the morning, and we're here at the northernmost part of Europe. Kilometres from the Russian border, the tip of Finland, we're at the top of Norway, ready to start not a cruise, but our voyage of discovery, an expedition.
If you're interested in this very unusual Fjords expedition on Havila, Martin Clarkson has a great film of the Havila ship. Please see that on our ships playlist. And the fjords are all listed on our Fjords playlist. Visit Doris Visits and see all the cruise stops that we've managed to film around the world. And please, if you get the chance, read Cruise Ship Heist. It's nothing like this cruise, but it is a page turner and you won't be able to put it down. And please, review it from wherever you bought it. Thank you very much for watching Cruise Doris Visits. And thank you, Martin.